Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are required to find the value of x given that 9 to power x plus 6 to power x is equal to 2 times 4 to power x. We need to rewrite the terms in the equation as this. 9 to power x can be written as 3 to power 2 all to power x, and 6 to power x can be written as 3 times 2 all to power x, and then the 2 remains as it is, but 4 to power x can be written as 2 to power 2 all to power x. Now we need to apply some properties in indices. In this case, we have a times b all to power c. It can be written as a to power c times b to power c, more like we are distributing the powers. And in these two cases, we have a to power b to power c can be written as a to power c to power b. Now in this case, the powers are switching position. Let's apply these properties here. In this first case, we have 3 to power x to power 2 plus, in the second case, 3 to power x times 2 to power x, and in the third case, we have 2 to power x all to power 2. Now, let us make one crucial substitution, and that substitution is this. We will let a equals to 3 to power x and b equals to 2 to power x. So let's put in a where we see 3 to power x and b where we see 2 to power x. So I have a squared in this first case plus a times b in the second case is equal to 2 times b squared. Let's move this term to the other side. So I have a squared plus ab minus 2b squared is equal to 0. We need to factorize this term. The sum of this quadratic equation is ab, and the product is this multiplied by this. So we have minus 2a squared b squared. The sum can be written as 2ab minus ab to give us ab. So we'll replace this ab for 2ab minus ab. So I have a squared plus 2ab minus ab minus 2b squared is equal to 0. If we now group them, we can factorize easily. In the first bracket, a is common. If we remove it, a plus 2b will remain. In the second bracket, minus b is common. If we factorize it out, we'll have a plus 2b remaining equals to 0. These two brackets are the same. We'll take one of them and then put these ones inside a bracket, and we have just factorized, then equates to 0. We can now equate each bracket to 0. A plus 2b is equal to 0, or a minus b is equal to 0. In the first case, a equals to minus 2b, or in the second case, a equals to b. If I divide both sides by b in both cases, I'll have a over b is equal to minus 2, or a over b is equal to 1. Let us recall that a is equal to 3 to power x and b is equal to 2 to power x. We want to recall. Now if we put in the values, the substitutes of a inside these cases, we have 3 to power x over 2 to power x equals to minus 2, or 3 to power x rather over 2 to power x equals to 1. Also in indices, if I have a to power b over c to power b, it is the same thing as a over c to power b. So I will apply this property of indices in both cases. So I have 3 over 2 to power x is equal to minus 2, or 3 over 2 to power x equals to 1. We now need to convert these indices to logarithm. To convert, if we have a to power b equals to c as indices, we can rewrite it as logarithm to be log to base a of c is equal to b. Now, In this first case, this a, which is the base, is 3 over 2. So I'll write log to base 3 over 2. And the x, which is b, is equal to x here. And the c, which is the argument, is minus 2. However, in logarithm, the argument, that is the number here, must not be a negative number. So in this first case, there is no solution. Now let's deal with the second case. In the second case, we have 3 over 2 all to power x is equal to 1. So let's convert it to logarithm now. So we have log to base 3 over 2 of 1 is equal to x. Log to base any number of 1 is 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0. And since x is equal to 0, we have our solution. Let us back substitute 0 for x in the original equation. So we have 9 to power x plus 6 to power x is equal to 2 times 4 to power x. That's the original equation. Now putting 0 for x, we have 9 to power 0 plus 6 to power 0 is equal to 2 times 4 to power 0. 9 to power 0 is 1, 6 to power 0 is 1, and 4 to power 0 is, so we have 2 times 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Please, like this video if you find it interesting, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and turn on the notification bell. I would also like you to share this video. I would also like to read your comments in the comment section. See you in another video. Bye.